Hi everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to learn how to use agents in the IDE. StackSpot allows organizations to develop their own agents, which can be customized with various functions. These functions include template customization, knowledge source integrations, and communication between agents, all of which significantly increase the flexibility and efficiency of StackSpot AI. Shall we get started? Open your IDE and log into StackSpot AI. Before entering your question, select one of the following agents by clicking the icon next to the chat box. You can choose from StackSpot AI agents, default, or StackSpot Flex, but you also have the option to select others that have been shared with you or ones you've created yourself. With the agent selected, ask your question and the agent will then provide the answers. You can also switch between agents to see different responses. And that's it. Now you know how to use agents in StackSpot AI. Thanks for watching and see you next time.